Begin automating your income today. I recently enrolled in the AI Profits course by Chase Reiner, and it was a great experience. The AI Profits course provides an in-depth look at AI and how to leverage it for better results. Step 1. Join the AI Profits course. Step 2. Watch the step-by-step videos to get set up with a few button clicks. Step 3. Let your bots and automation run while you make money in your sleep. The course was well put together, with a lot of valuable content and resources that I was able to put to use in my business. It was also very user-friendly and had a lot of real-world examples which made it easier to understand. There are plenty of video tutorials. It teaches you how to do the work once and upload it across all your social media platforms. If you are serious about taking your marketing efforts to a new level in 2023, then this is the course you need. I would tell you to get it now, because as more people enroll, Chase gradually raises the price, so the price you see today is the lowest price you will ever see. Wait a while and the price goes up. Go to ilostchance.com. There is a link in the description below this video.